Okay, folks, welcome back into the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already done so, because there's tons more videos coming out. Now, this time around, we're going to ask ChatGPT to show some empathy and really tap into the pain points of our target audience. And in a previous video, I had talked about the headlines for a fictional traffic product. So we're going to stay on that. We're going to stay in that same ChatGPT session that we talked about earlier when we generated some headlines for that product. So now we're going to really try and tap into what those folks are struggling with. This is our target audience here. So we're going to really kind of delve deep into ChatGPT, kind of trying to relate to what they're going through. All right. So this is the prompt I came up with. I want you to write a paragraph about the struggles my target audience is going through, showing empathy and understanding while also giving them hope. Their struggles are, and then I list their struggles: frustration about not seeing results in their marketing, overwhelm about having too many things on their plate. And then I put in parentheses, working in their business instead of on their business. So the ChatGPT kind of knows where I'm going with that struggle, and confusion about which action to take next. So those are the pain points that I gave ChatGPT to work with. And this is what it came up with. So here's the paragraph that describes the pain points. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this, well, first of all, you're going to rewrite it. You're not going to put this, you're not just going to paste it in to your sales page, but this will give you a good jumping off point for tapping into the struggles of your target audience. And it's a good paragraph here, lots of empathy. But like I said, you're going to have to either have ChatGPT give you another version and then tweak it, or you're going to tweak this one. And maybe in a future video, I will tweak this for you. But I just really wanted to give you an understanding of what ChatGPT's capabilities are when it comes to showing empathy for the pain points of your target audience. So hope this helps you. And then it also gives you some hope. I asked ChatGPT to provide hope despite all of the empathy that we're showing for their struggles, and did a good job of that. And it introduced the product in the hope statement. Okay. Total Traffic Mastery. Remember, in a previous video, we talked about that product. So ChatGPT is drawing upon that. As long as you stay in the same session, it will remember previous prompts that you've used. So hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next video as we continue to really weave in a lot of elements of empathy and showing emotion, things that really drive the reader toward the ultimate goal of making a sale with your copy. So until next time, this is the AI Copy Lab. Great to have you along. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.